Hello everyone. In this video, we'll go through a step-by-step process using Tableau to create sets. Let's get started. Say, you own a small business and would like to answer a few questions about how well the products in your inventory are selling. The questions are as follows. Which are the top selling items, and compare to other items in overall profits? Which are the least profitable items? And which items are among the highest sold with low profits? You will use sets to find answers to these questions. Step 1. Open the starter file in Tableau. Step 2. Create a fixed set. Select all marks that have sales over 140K. Hover over a mark until additional options appear. Click the set icon, and then select Create Set. In the name field, type Top Selling Items. Click OK. Step 3. Now, using this set in the view to show the profits generated by the top selling items compared with the remaining items. Drag the top selling items set to colors on the marks card. Now, right-click on subcategory from the view and select Remove. Step 4. Let's find out which item outside of the set is the most profitable. Drag top selling items from colors to the filters shelf. Select Out in the filter dialog box, and then click OK. Right-click the top selling items filter in the filters shelf and select Show Filter. Add subcategory to details. Next, create a new set to include 10 items that are least profitable. Right-click subcategory in the data pane. Click Create and then select Set. In the name field, type Bottom 10 Profits. Click the top tab, and then select By Field. From the drop-down list, select Bottom. Specify Profit as the field. And leave the aggregation as Sum. Click OK. Drag the bottom 10 profits set to color on the marks card. Now, let's combine both the sets created. Remove bottom 10 profits from the view. Multi-select top selling items and bottom 10 profits sets. Right-click, and then select Create Combined Set. In the name field, type Top and Bottom Items. Check shared members in both sets. Click OK. Drag the top and bottom items set to color on the marks card. Feel free to explore further and create insightful visualizations with your updated data. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Happy analyzing!